Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Uh, so first, I'm Muhammad Alman from class MN25J. Today, I can present the future of home agriculture. Okay, for the first, I can describe the paradigm shift. What is the paradigm shift? It is the urban disconnected. Why modern food logistics are familiar or premium nutrition standards and how location sites. And the next, the furnace crisis. For the first, what is the furnace crisis? The furnace is crisis nutrition depletion. Commercial product trapped up to 1 millions. Uh, 1.500 meals, losing 45% of nutrition density before checkout. And the second, the chemical polyprofilation, 90% of grocery stores grains utilize scientific chemical spray lines. And the third, the server global impact. Standard industrial farming consumes 17% of the fresh drinking water, primarily soil evaporation. For the next, the autonomous solution. The first, zero effort. Zero effort is a plug and play micro farming, dynamic hydro sensor, and auto watering delivery exact nourishment with a zero grading knowledge required. And the second choice is absolute purity. Absolute purity is 100% organic. Heirloom varieties grow with a toxic persulates, heavy metals, or chemical presentation against. And for the last is hypergrowth. Hypergrowth is our proprietary dynamic spectrum lens, mining optimal circadian cycles to generate up to triple faster growth rates than solos. And for the next slides is engineered elegance. A contrast aesthetic, crafted with recycled outlets, aluminum, and sustainable oaks detailing, further fits beautiful into high-end luxury kitchen. So a whisper quite airflow system purges inflow oxygen distribution while maintaining standard application sizing profile. And for the next, sea to harvest journey. Okay, first day one, the simple drop press set up your stable organic pods in the distinct dynamic crossword. Okay, so next, in day five, sport. Sport is a AI grow sensor register germinated and intimate dynamic blue spectrum route optimizing. And day 40, it is a canopy. Canopy is this day a fully research nutrition adaptive LED simulated generating sun to intricate slab volume. And the last day 28 is the harvest. In the harvest is a crisp, vibrant grains with thick processor flavor and micronuts. Okay. For the next is a market opportunity. For the first is North America have a market 42.6% share, and Asia Pacific is 35.0% share, and Europe and rest world 22.4%. With the global smart indoor garden market value have $4.1 billion, rising demand for organic local products and urban designated live double the national target. for the resource efficiency, for the fourth, number one is water saving. uh, di mana 95% less consumption. Carbon footprint have a 19% lower transport cost, and nutrient and preparation 1.5 higher this nightly. So next, we can present the sustainable business model. For the first, premium hardware sales, device retail have a uh, 13,900 further for the balanced high growth margin with long-lasting premium hardware quality, positioned perfect in high kitchen well segment along premium expression market. Recurring consumable monthly speed upon 29 per month. A highly productive monthly subscription engine offering automated delivery of a pre-packaged organic. And the next this compression matrix. Compression matrix is capability traditional outdoor cheap DIY indoor kits and verdant premium pot. And the next our ultimate mission. The mission is we are aren't just selling another consumer. We are repairing humanity's deep connection to sustenance. Okay, maybe it's the last for my presentation is a grow your future greatness. So thank you very much for everyone to waiting. Uh, I say thank you. Wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.